Welcome to Dashway Talks, a show powered by Dashway Consulting, a China-based strategic market research company founded in 2010.
Hello, I'm Mark Burban, founder of Asian Risk Management Services. We are an insurance broker specialized in general insurance. General insurance provides coverage in every situation where an accident may occur. We help our clients to mitigate risk they may face through insurance coverage. We combine an international and local expertise.
What does employer's liability cover?
First of all, let us put into perspective why there is a need for employer's liability insurance and the reason behind this. According to the work safety law adopted in 2002 and then amended from time to time, with the purpose of reinforcing work safety, preventing, reducing labor accidents, company and especially what is called in the law, the primary person in charge of business entity is fully responsible of work safety on behalf of the company. So we may understand the primary person is the legal representative of the company. In another article, it stated the person liable of labor accident is subject to legal liability. As already touched on, the legal liability is the duty of everyone to indemnify the prejudice caused to others following any occurrence of an event created by him or her. So here, a working accident. The legal liability of the responsible person, so the legal representative of the company, attached not because of there is a fault, but because there is a relationship between this person in manager, so the person in a managing position acting on behalf of the company and the workers. In other words, by asking for him to work, the legal representatives has the duty of care. Any person acting on behalf of the company instructing someone to work creates a legal liability for the company, and so the company has to indemnify any accident that may occur to the worker in the course of accident. So here, the legal liability, it's a non-fault liability. As long as there is a direct relationship between the work and the accident, irrespective of any fault, the company is liable to indemnify the injured person. Such duty of bearing legal liability in case of work accident are reflected also in the labor contract. Usually there is provision in it requesting the company to provide to the employee with proper work environment and taking protective measure to keep employees safe from any accident or occupational disease. So the scope of employer's liability insurance is to provide indemnification of a prejudice caused by a labor accident or occupational disease. The company is legally liable to pay according to the law. So it covers also legal expenses or litigation costs if the employees sue the company. So apart labor accident, as such, employers is liable. The employer's liability insurance provide cover in some situation in connection with employment. For instance, it may cover accident occurring during business trips. So if the person has to travel for his work, during meal taken in the canteen of the company, sports social activity organized by the company. So like, for instance, team building, trip between home and working place, so back and forth, so going to the work and coming back to home. And also any accident. So also the employer's liability can provide a cover for any accident occurring out of the working time. Some insurance company may also provide cover for medical or hospitalization expenses following sickness or disease. So all these covers are provided through extension clause that must be added to the standard policy.
Besides regular employees, does the liability insurance policy automatically cover interns?
The primary person covered under employer's liability are the employee of the company. So the definition of an employee is a person who enters into a labor contract relationship with a company. So the contract might be in writing or not. The definition of a labor relationship is the fact to accept a salary in exchange of providing a work. In addition to regular employee, short-term employees, casual and seasonal worker, apprentices are considered as employees, so can be covered under employer's liability insurance. The labor contract or the labor relationship has to follow Chinese laws and regulation, and the employees have to live permanently in China. So there is no consideration of citizenship, just consideration of residency, and also consideration about the law that applies to the labor contract. Intern can be covered under employer's liability. However, it must be stated in the policy. Another restriction is only employees between 16 and 65 are covered. If they are younger or older, so the company has to declare the age to the insurance company and provide the list of this person, and getting written confirmation from the insurance company, this person are covered. The employers, so the company, the insured, may select to cover all employees or only a category staff, for instance, manual worker. So in this case, the employers, the insured, has to provide a detailed list of the person covered, so name and ID number of the person.
Any questions? We will find an expert to answer them. Drop your questions in the comments or send us an email, dx@dashwayconsulting.com.